Namaste and welcome to another session of Yoga for Manifestation, your practice for a perfect energy flow for building yourself and building your manifestation powers. If you're new to Yoga for Manifestation or this channel, just make sure to watch the video. That's the first link in the description, where I'm actually explaining all you need to know about this powerful practice and what makes it different to other types of yoga and worth practicing it. All right, so today I want to do a little bit more of a dynamic, very powerful flow sequence with you that is like the perfect balance between strength building, opening up the energy points, the flexibility for literally like a perfect energy flow. So, but before we start, show reel. We're going to start by bringing our hands together in pranam at your heart center. Thumbs are slightly touching heart. Just close your eyes and take a few deep breathings. Slow exhale. Just arrive fully in this moment and take this time for yourself to connect with your body, your mind, your spirit. Leave everything else behind you. This is your time. You're taking for your self-care to build yourself. So set some powerful intentions for a powerful practice and bring a smile on your face. And when you're ready, slowly open your eyes and come back. Relax your hands. We're going to start by inhaling, bringing our hands all the way up, lengthen our body, come onto our tippy toes and really lengthen our full body, pulling our hands up to make space between our ribs. Breathe between our ribs. Bring that air in, and with the exhale, we bring our palms down to the ground in front of our feet. Full palms into ground if possible. If not, it's fingertips, or you can place your hands on your thigh, that's fine. Just feel that opening in your legs. Legs are straight. Feel the stretch. With the inhale, bring your hands back up from the sides again onto your tippy toes, lengthening that body. Beautiful. This time exhale, heels back into ground, and we go half down only into table pose. Here make sure that your arms are straight, elbows are straight, and they're close to your ears. Lengthen your spine. You're in a 90-degree angle. Hold strong. Feel how this is strengthening your back. Feel the further opening on your legs. Hold strong for 3, 2, 1, and relax back. Bring the palms into the ground. Again, feel the stretch. Beautiful. One more time. Come up. Inhale. Bring the palms up. And exhale. Relax. Now bring your hands, your palms together at the back of your body. Inhale here. And exhale. Bow forward and bring your hands all the way above your shoulders. And pull them towards the sky. Feel the stretch, the opening in your shoulders. We're warming up the body. Very good. Now with the inhale, come up and slightly arch back. Exhale, release. Just rotate your shoulders. Big rotations to the back. One more. And switch direction, roll forward. Beautiful. Just also opening up our neck. So place your hand at the back of your ear and just hold your heads towards the right and feel the pull in your left shoulder all the way to the outer point of your shoulder. Feel that stretch. Find the position where you can feel your whole tendon here. Beautiful. And release. Switch left hand behind right ear. Relax your right shoulder down and just give that slight pull with your hand. You can feel that stretch in your neck all the way to your shoulder. And come out. Beautiful. So inhale up. Exhale down, hands into ground. Right foot steps back, left foot steps back. And we go into Adho Mukhi, downward facing dog. Hip pulls up and back, heels work towards the ground. You can move your legs if needed to bring those heels all the way to the ground. Arms are straight, head and chest are pulling towards the mat. Just hold there. Look forward, bring your right foot in, and now without hiring your body, so you keep your body low, try to bring your arms up. Elbows are straight. Be powerful, be graceful. Look forward. Feel that energy, spread that energy in your hands. Hold strong. Beautiful. Now bring the left heel into ground. Twist your heel and we go into Warrior 2. Now this is Himalayan Warrior. We don't do it like that. We hold fists and we hold strong arm. We show our strength to the universe. We gaze forward, strong gaze. Show your strength, your willingness to build your body, to become a powerful vessel, to receive powerful energies. Exhale, right palm into ground, left palm pointing up. Look towards your palm. Now allow the energy to channel through, to receive from your left palm, flowing through your body, through your right palm, connected to the ground, into the earth. Breathe there. Mind is calm. Focus purely on breath. Now we receive the powerful energies. Now we want to show our thanks to the universe. So we're gonna hold pranam, twist our body, and try to bring the pranam towards your heart center. Look up. Hold strong. This will challenge your balance. If you fall, it's not a problem. Just get back up. Now smile. How can we show our gratitude in challenging times? That is law of attraction. That's how we attract what we are, not what we want. So smile and give your thanks to the universe. Release, exhale, palms into ground, right foot back into downward dog. Just rest there for a moment. Deep breathing. Now, again, look forward. Inhale, left foot steps forward. Bring your palms all the way up in the sky. Stay low with your body. Feel the stretch in your hip. Again, full energies all the way into your fingertips. Be strong. Breathe. Mindset stays calm. Right heel into ground. Ready for warrior 2. Strong warrior. Bring the fist up. Gaze forward. Show your strength to the universe. Be proud. Feel the power you carry within you. Beautiful. Now, left palm onto ground inside of your left feet. Right palm all the way in the sky. Look up into your right palm and focus on receiving the energy now from your right palm, channeling it through your body, and connect to the earth with your left palm. Feel that connection. Hold strong. Now, time to show gratitude for the powerful energies received. We hold pranam, we twist our body. If this is challenging, you can also first bring your right palm on the outside of your left foot and just first become comfortable twisting your body. And once you feel good in that position, you can then take off your hands, bring it together into pranam and shift it towards your chest, looking upwards, and smile. Again, feel gratitude. Hold strong. Beautiful. Release, palms back into ground. Left foot steps back into downward dog. Deep inhale and exhale here. Now knees can come onto the mat, slightly apart. Feet are staying together. Pull back into child pose and just bring your forehead gently onto the ground. Relax here. Connect with the earth's energies. Deep breathing. And slowly bring your body back up. Come seated. If if you're comfortable sitting on your thighs, you can just bring your heels out and sit on your thighs. Make sure your weight is all the way back, your back is straight. And just bring your palms on to your knees. Now, this is a very powerful, short, efficient sequence to build strength, to build stability, to increase flexibility, and get those energies going for your manifestation meditation. So we're just quickly gonna close our eyes, bring our hands together in front of our chest, holding pranam. And just connect to the universe. Feel how your energies are circulating in your body now. And just bring into your heart whatever it is that you want to manifest. How it would feel like to have it manifested. How would it look like? Who would you be? Where would you be? Just tap into that feeling for a moment with all your energies flowing now. That's how you communicate with the universe and how it will support you in your manifestations. Bring a smile onto your face and know that it's already in creation. And when you're ready, open your eyes and slowly come back. I wish you a wonderful day and keep building, keep practicing. Subscribe to the channel. Hit that like button if you got any value out of this and if you are eager to build yourself and your manifestation strong in this year. Namaste.